Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, excuse me, I got some China mail today. I got some more diamond paintings, but these weren't from AliExpress. These were from a company called Newfrog. I know what they are because I only ordered the 3, but they're a little different. As you can see, their packaging is quite different. So I'm hoping I'm not going to be disappointed. They do not roll these. I don't know if their bigger pictures would be rolled or not, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and take these all out. And they're small enough that, you know, I'll be able to put them under the mattress and get them all flat, or, you know, use an iron on them or something like that. But this one's got tape stuck to it or something. No, that is the, there we go. Okay, so go ahead and get that out. So the first 2, I went ahead and ordered. Now I will say these drills look really good. These look really good. So as you can see, they're just a bunch, I don't know, these some random ones stuck in there, but they're just a bunch of purples and some black. You get your standard kit. The tray is really small in this one though. That's okay, because I mean, it's not like I don't have plenty of those things. There's like drills coming out everywhere. I don't even know where they're from because this doesn't take white. But they are all over. Anyway, so I went ahead and ordered the purple season tree because I did find it on Newfrog, and it was a good price. This, I believe, was under $7, I think. I'll have all the information in the description box for prices and stuff, because I can't remember what it was at this moment. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and get, I love this purple, but the canvas isn't creased, so it's, I mean, it got folded, but like there's not, it's nothing that won't be able to come out just flattening it out underneath the mattress, I don't think. I think it'll be fine. So, yeah, I got that one. That's going to be added to my tree collection. The next one, again, you get your little green kit. The next one is another, it's another winter one, but it's, I think this one's also winter. And I think the purple one's considered winter as well, which I thought was a little weird. But it's just a different coloring of the tree. And I want to get one of each. And I'm not 100% positive how many variations there are. So I'll need to find out and try to order whatever I'm missing. But the numbers on here, they're really clear. I mean, you can see them really well. So that's not going to be a problem at all. And the drills, like I said, the drills look really good. They don't look like they have any garbage in them or anything like that. So that's going to be, you're probably not going to be able to see that one as well, but looks like this is a dime. No, it just says diamond. Okay. I was going to say, it almost look like diamond dots, but it just says diamond. So, I don't know why I've got these white ones. All right. But that's the other one that I got, was this tree. So, that'll get added to the collection as well. And I don't have to worry about, you know, doing the film on those because, you know, it's the plastic film and they're going to just be flattened under my mattress. So they'll be fine. And the last one, again, the drills look really good. And they're all rounds and they're all partials, I believe. Well, this one might be a full. No, this one's a full. But the two trees are partials, which is fine. That's what I wanted. So I'm perfectly okay with that. This last one is a full, and it's just a little small something. It's just a little mushroom house. I just thought it was so cute. I just thought this was adorable. So you can see the picture right there. And there's probably not going to be much detail or anything in it because it is small. But on Newfrog, they actually have, on a lot of the pictures, they have a representation of what it looks like at the different sizes. And I thought this size was fine. And so I went ahead and got it. And again, the numbers and letters are super clear. Not going to have a problem with that at all. But I just thought this was cute because, you know, to me, this reminds me kind of, you know, it's kind of like the fairy garden items that everybody gets. And it will go really good with the fairies that I already have in my house. So I wanted to go ahead and get it just to have a small little picture to hang, you know, with the fairies. I did not check. Let's see if it's, yeah, it's super sticky, so that's good. That one's good. Let's check, let's see. Let's check this one. This one's sticky, but I'm a little curious as to whether or not they got the glue in all the spots for the diamonds, because that's awfully close to the edge and it didn't feel as sticky, so I'm gonna have to be careful with that. Yeah, you can feel it on there. The glue's not, it doesn't feel like there's any glue like off the tree, so that'll be good. I won't get stuck to it. But yeah, so those are the three that I got this time. They're just really small ones, nothing large. I don't have any large ones coming in anytime soon. I do have some more AliExpress coming, but it's not diamond paintings, it's die cuts. So I'm just waiting on all of those to come in. I did have one order get canceled on me. I am waiting for a new tracking number. Hopefully the buyer will send it out because I have not gotten a notification yet. And I know they were having their Chinese New Year, so I'm not sure when they're going to be going, starting back up. She did extend the buyer protection on it, so I'm hoping that it will get sent out soon. And then I have one order of pins and a couple of orders of die cuts. So once I get all of that in, I'll just do one big AliExpress haul for that. But anyway, so that is the diamond paintings for today. Just wanted to quick get on here and show you guys what I got. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will be doing a video on one of the trees. I'm going to do one of the trees for the video. I'm not sure when that'll happen. I'm still working on the one for my husband. So yeah, it'll just be whenever I get all of that done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day. Stay warm, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.